Okay, so I also promised that I was going to show you how to make a cube. So, starting with one of those tubes that was a square shape. So remember, I fold it in half. I line up the two folds. It's a little tricky on the glue spot right there. Fold it in half again. And so now I have a tube that is in the shape of a square, but I want to take that square and turn it into more of a cube. So one thing I can do is I'm going to estimate how far across. That's about 1 inch. So what I'm going to do when I make my cuts is I'm going to try to make them about the same length down this tube as they're going to be when I fold them across. And let's see how this works. So I made those cuts, and this time instead of folding it out to put glue on the tabs, I'm going to fold it in. This is kind of a cool way to make a gift box. If you started with a really big piece of paper and you made a tube, you could make a gift box this way. So check it out. Look how I folded those sides down and I've got a nice bottom for my box. So right now I'm going to go and put just the teeny tiniest drops of glue on each of those pieces that are going to fold in. And it's tricky because I can't really press here, so what I'm going to do is turn the box upside down and grab a pencil or something else and try to press down and get those flaps to glue. So now I have to decide how deep I want my box. Like if I want it really to be a cube, like let's say I was trying to make dice, it means that the side of the box is only going to be this high. This is kind of tricky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my tabs go all the way down to where I want the side of that box to be. And then I'm going to have to cut the tabs a little bit shorter. See, the tabs are too long to fold in. So what I can do is give them a little bit of a trim all the way around. And now when I fold them in, right at that size that I want for that side, it's going to be a lot closer to a cube. It's not going to be a perfect cube, but it's going to be pretty good. Add a little glue, or maybe I don't want to add glue. Maybe I want it to be a box that I can open and close. So I could do like a little like tape donut or something under there. But basically, that's how you make a cube. You can make some dice that way. See if you can add some numbers to the sides. That's up to you. So that's how you make a box or a cube. You already know how to make a cylinder, you know how to make a prism, you know how to make a pyramid. So now it's your job to go and make some kind of really cool sculpture. And maybe there's just like all these little hidden compartments and something hiding on the inside. I'm going to leave that part up to your imagination. And I'm really excited to see where this goes. So now again, remember, try not to show any pencil lines on the outside of your sculpture. It's just going to be cut paper. It's like collage, but it's three-dimensional collage. So if you need windows, you're going to cut them out of a different color and glue them on. All right, now it's your turn. Let's see what you can do.